Hello folks, so today I thought to myself, when last have you had some stew peas? And you know, me really like stew peas. So I went ahead and got some fresh pig's tail, some chicken foot, and I got a little bit of smoked turkey wings. I have some vegetable here along with my peas. I'm going to just put them in the pot with some whole clove. Now my way of doing it is a little bit unconventional. I put my pimento and my whole clove into the pot and allow it to just burn a little bit. Then I add my pig's tail. Remember, this is fresh pig's tail. It's not salted. I add some garlic and I saute that real quick. Yeah. And that again, ladies and gentlemen, is a little bit different. Then I added my smoked turkey wings. After this burn a little bit in the pot, I added my peas. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is dry peas that I was soaking for about maybe 20 minutes. Yeah. Now you want the pot to come up to temperature. And of course, once it starts to bubble and look like this is where you start add your flavors and your ingredients. The idea here is to get the peas to get to a soft stage. When the peas is almost soft, you put in your chicken foot. Yeah. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, you're putting in your chicken foot and you're going to also put in your coconut milk along with a little bit more water. And of course, my coconut milk don't mix out. I just add the coconut milk in the powdered stage and allow the heat and the pot bubbling to do all that it's supposed to do. Yeah, look the man, I tell you, can't wait for this for done in a style. I tell you, trust me. As soon as the peas and the chicken foot done cook, you know so the pig's tail well cook already, you know, because it'll cook with the peas. You understand? So you don't have to worry about it. Add some more seasoning to your pot. Check your taste level and your flavor level and make sure you put your spice and your black pepper and your little stuffs in it. And of course you want to put some spinners. So here I have some flour. I'm adding some water to form a simple dough. And once you form this simple dough, you knead it out to the consistency that makes you comfortable. Then you shape them into little logs or spinners and you add them to your pot. Now, as soon as the spinners them cook, your pot ready. May I tell you, stew peas pan deck. Ladies and gentlemen, I cut up one of my little fresh German sage leaf in it. Forgive me that little flavor there. Check for my little seasoning and make sure everything is right. And then guess what? Stew peas tonight. Stew peas ready, Mrs. Stew peas ready. Stew peas ready, Mrs. Stew peas ready. I can't wait for share out my plate cause it's ready. Stew peas ready, Mrs. Stew peas ready. Anybody want some stew peas now? Stew peas ready, Mrs.